Okay, we're going to take a look at using our graphing calculator to solve an equation in one unknown. Um, what we're going to do here is take a look at this organizer that you guys are using in class. I'm going to do the whole problem out without the organizer, and then I'll do it with. So here's a equation we're going to solve. 2x plus 4 equals 5x minus 32. So without the organizer, we look at it by doing y equals on our calculator. 2x plus 4, down arrow, 5x minus 32, and then we hit graph. Now we're looking for the point of intersection, which in this graph we can see is kind of high into the right here. These lines will come together. So what I can do with that is change my window by using zoom or the window feature. I'm going to use the window feature here. So if I want to go up, that's changing my x max when I change that to like 40, which is just kind of random. And then if I want to go further to the right, maybe I'll change this to 30. If I don't see it after I hit graph, I could change it again. Again, I'm looking for the intersection, and it looks like I found it. So we're going to go with second, trace, and then we're going to choose number 5 for intersection. We're going to use the arrow keys to get the cursor to be blinking near the intersection and just hit enter 3 times. And as we see here, the answer is x equals 12. So I'm just going to write that over here just for a second. Okay. Now I'm going to redo this with the organizer. So when you guys get to the quiz, you know what I'm expecting. Okay. So I'm going to reset my calculator by doing second plus 712. Okay. Which just erases everything out of my calculator. And then we're going to use the organizer where it says here number 1, what did you type in this window? Well, the left side of the equation is y1, and the right side of the equation is going to be y2. Okay, then I could enter that 2x plus 4, again down arrow, 5x minus 32. Then I can hit graph. So then from there we see that step 2 is to sketch the graph on zoom 6. Well, zoom 6 is the standard zoom. Okay, it's where you have 10, negative 10, 10, negative 10 for your up, down, right, and left. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of draw a rough sketch of that. Okay, and you see those lines are going to come together. Now it says here, only do steps 3 and 4 if you can't see the intersection in step 2. Well, I can't, so I'm going to make a window adjustment. This is just you recording again what you made your window. So we can, like I said, we can go up to 40. So we change Y max to go up, or go down, we change Y min. And I'll make my X max 30, and then go back. Now I'm going to copy that in. So I'm recording it. Okay, I spotted you the x scale equals 1. You guys don't have to mess with that. Okay. You notice I did not change my x min or y min because I don't need to go left or down. Okay. So now, if you notice here in this next window, I didn't actually draw the Cartesian system because when you rezoom, it's going to be off center like this. So we've got something that looks like that. I'm kind of freehanding this on my tablet, so it's a little bit hard. Then we go second, trace 5 to get the intersection with the arrow keys. Again, hit enter 3 times. And then the appropriate place to write our answer in the organizer is right here. And then if we look in our table, second graph, we're going to look for where the y1 and y2 are equal. And it looks like if I go this way, those numbers are getting closer together. And right here, when I get to x equals 12, we see that they are the same. So again, 12 is the answer here next to the smiley face. That's x, because it makes y1 and y2 equal. And then you would just write one row above that, to let me know that you just were able to read the data out of the table correctly. Okay, now remember, the use of the organizer is only so that I have something to grade. We need you to be able to solve this problem on your calculator, but I also need to grade something. So on the quiz, there'll be two organizers like this, and you gotta let me know that you can make these maneuvers on your calculator. It's important for the rest of the year as well. Um, but the big thing is we just, conceptually, left side, right side, y1, y2, where are they equal? It's where they cross. So I hope you guys enjoyed that and it helps.